Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we think is the best leggings for women. Seamless, squat-proof, and gym-ready. Introducing the Aoxjox high-waisted workout leggings, also known as the Trinity Yoga Pants. These leggings have quickly become a favorite in the activewear world, and we're going to show you exactly why. Let's start with the material. The Trinity leggings are crafted from a blend of 75% nylon and 25% spandex. That's a combination designed to move with your body while offering a moderate level of compression. The result? A pair of leggings that feel like a second skin. They're buttery soft to the touch and provide enough stretch for yoga, weightlifting, or even running errands. Whether you're deep in a squat or flowing through sun salutations, the fabric stays in place and doesn't go see-through, delivering on that true squat-proof promise. Now let's talk about the design. These leggings feature a compressive high waistband that not only holds everything in but also flatters your waistline. It provides just the right amount of tummy control without feeling too tight. There's no front seam, which is a major win for comfort and aesthetics. Instead, you get a smooth, clean look that eliminates the dreaded camel toe issue. One standout detail is the multi-seam waistband design in the back. It contours your body and enhances your natural shape without relying on any gimmicky features like a hidden scrunch. So if you're someone who prefers a sleeker silhouette, this is the design for you. And while there are no side pockets, the minimalism adds to the overall streamlined look and feel. These are the kind of leggings that transition easily from the gym to the street. In terms of fit, Aoxjox recommends sizing up if you're between sizes. The fabric has a snug, supportive feel, perfect for compression, but if you like a bit more ease, you'll definitely want to go up a size. The inseam comes in at 26.5 inches, which hits at that just right ankle length for most wearers. Whether you're petite or average height, this length gives a flattering finish that pairs well with sneakers or even barefoot for yoga practice. Another big plus? These leggings are imported and feature a pull-on closure, making them super easy to get into. They're low maintenance too, but note that the brand recommends hand washing for best results. That's pretty common with high-performance fabrics that are built to last and maintain their elasticity. The Aoxjox Trinity Yoga Pants are more than just another pair of leggings. They're built for performance but styled for everyday wear. With their seamless design, squat-proof fabric, and contour-enhancing waistband, these leggings check all the boxes for active women who don't want to compromise between function and style. That wraps up today's deep dive here on Product Critique. If you're looking for leggings that deliver comfort, compression, and confidence, the Aoxjox Trinity Yoga Pants might just be your new go-to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff product reviews. See you in the next one.